What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work out the answer to a specific question for your truth tables. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so this is truth tables. The question that we're answering today is P and Q, bracket that, or not P. So first thing, when you see this, you go ballistic, you go crazy. How do you do that? Well, don't worry, you need to draw a table. The first thing you need to look at is P. So P, and you need to look at Q as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so P, you know, is true, true, false, and false. And then your Q is true, false, true, false. That's an F, by the way. Then you need to look at not P. So extend the table. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not P. That will be the opposite of what P is. So we will have false, false, because that's true, true. So false, false, and then true, 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 and true. And then you need to look at not Q. You can, but you don't have to, because nowhere here does it say not Q, but we'll just put it in because we are professional computer scientists. So the opposite of this is false, true, false, true. So false, true, false, true. And now the next part is P and Q, because we have that here. So P and Q will give us true, false, false, false. You're probably wondering, how did you do that? Well, P and Q, every time you see a true and true, it's a true. If it's true and false, you'll get false. False and true, you'll get false. If it was true or false, then you would get true, because it's taken into consideration truth and false. So it's just false, 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 and false will definitely just give you false. Okay, now the biggest one is the last part. P and Q, or not P. And for this we need to look at two things. We need to look at this one, and we need to look at not P. Pretend we're not looking at that. I'll put a pencil here and say, look, so true or false gives us true. False or false gives us false. False or true gives us true, and false or true just gives us true. This is not a tautology because it's not all true. Okay guys, that's it for this truth table video, and I just showed you how to get from a question, give you the answer. You have to break it down slowly by slowly. You look at P, Q, then not P, not Q, P and Q, and then the last part is P and Q or not P. Remember the brackets as well, because if you don't have the brackets then it changes the whole equation. You could do this and that if you didn't have the brackets. But okay, thanks.